Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of emails not being received. So first of all, open your Gmail application. Now click on this icon. Now scroll down. Click on settings. Click on the account of which there is a problem. Now scroll down. Here there's the option of sync Gmail. Click on it. Now you can refresh this and you'll be able to receive a Gmail and emails again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps.